Hi, this is Dirk from B&B Auto Sales. Today we're going to show you our 68 Chevy K20, a really cool truck because a very unique truck. 3/4 ton, 4-wheel drive, original color. Was originally a 6-cylinder truck. Now it has a 283 in it. We added the wheels and tires on it, but nice shape. I see a few chips. Some of these are bugs, but there's some chips, but the grill and stuff looks good. Kind of original here. Like I said, the repaint on it's average, you know, got a decent shine to it, not perfect, got some imperfections. And it's been used some, so you're gonna see a scratch here and there. Like I said, 3/4 ton. Like I said, there you can see it's got pretty good shine to it, so not a bad paint job. Showing some, you know, get some rock chips down here and you're getting a little blistering, but that's just because of the water getting underneath. We redid the seat. Shows 51,307, but who knows what that is for miles. 4-wheel drive, 4-speed, stereo, fan. There you can see, I don't know, that must be kind of a cover lay on top of that. I don't know why you do that. You can buy a whole pad for about $100, but that's what somebody did. So, but like I said, the rockers are good. There's your original tags. This is the neat part about it. STEPSIDE long box, 3/4 ton. There's only 1,047 of them made in 68. So very unique truck. Probably hardly any of them even around anymore. So definitely, like I said, it's been used some, and somebody enjoyed it and drove it. So you're gonna see a few scratches here and there, but like a truck that'd be really unique if you take it to a show or anything. There just isn't gonna be anybody else that probably has one. There's just none of these around. So if you're looking for a really unique truck that looks pretty cool, give me a call, 605-695-7391.